Home is where we always want the best light. At Bticino, we always try to improve the relationship between people and their homes, making home life an extraordinary experience. Because new technologies mean new possibilities. And in the last few years, we have advanced a lot. We have created devices connected to each other that communicate with us each and every day. Innovation is not only technology, but vision that can anticipate future habits. We are proud to introduce our latest vision, Living Now. We have created a product depicting the most successful evolution of our design. We have created the first cover plate where the cover plate disappears. An essential shape, where elegant materials and details give life to a unique object. But that was not enough. We have also revolutionized the control. Now full touch. But a true icon is the result of a balance between design and technology. With Living Now, you can now have smart functions on a traditional electric system. The home can now be managed with one simple action, a voice command, click, or even remotely, allowing us more time and comfort, helping us to reduce consumptions and feel safer. You can just get on with what you're doing, while objects meet your needs. Wherever you want.
Hey Google, switch on the entrance hall light.
And if you are my home automation professional, you can now also take advantage of the Living Now range. The cover plate can be adapted to any wall. The best Bticino ever. Total versatility. Conceived to fully enhance your style with the best materials and finishes. Things change. Let's make them easier. The most advanced technologies should be available to everyone. Living Now. Bticino.